How to reset two-factor authentication on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to reset your two-factor authenticator on Kraken. Now, due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just going to instruct you. So if you have lost an access of your sign-in on 2FA or two-factor authentication, you can use your master key as a two-factor sign-in method. Have a master key or have lost access to it, you need to submit a support request and select I can sign into my account. Issue with two-factor authenticator, select the appropriate choices for you. So for that, you need to open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in support.kraken.com, and that is going to take you to the official help center page where you can go ahead and type in the info, and accordingly you can state about the issue. That's how you can reset your two-factor authenticator on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.